Social networking apps like Instagram are taking advantage of China's TikTok's uncertain future in the US. Most of these apps, especially Meta's on Instagram, have copied many features from TikTok. Meta launched a handful of new functionalities for the Reel section of Instagram earlier to lure TikTok users. Now Instagram has copied another TikTok feature which will let you speed up Reel videos. TikTok already had this feature that allowed you to speed up Reels. Now it's available on Instagram app. The Meta-owned social media platform. New functionality let you play Reels at 2x speed by long pressing either the left or right side of the display. The Instagram community has been requesting this feature for a while. The ability to fast forward provides you with more control over your Reels experience. Similar to TikTok, Instagram also let users post videos that are multiple minutes long. The latest feature will give users the option to watch such videos quickly. It increases the chance of the user getting to the end of the longer Reels video. Instagram new feature to fast forward Reels is available to all users. If you haven't received the functionality, you may need to update the app. Instagram is also launching Edit, a direct rival to ByteDance CapCut. It should have came out earlier, but still not come out. Edits is a complete suite of creative tools for editing videos for social media content. It has live inside dashboard which offers a breakdown of followers and non-followers engagement. They had earlier scheduled to launch this on March 13th, but it has been delayed by a month.